Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a mushroom. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To know the next upcoming drawing, please watch this video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw a curve like alphabet small n in a slanted way. Draw an oval by joining both the ends of small n to form mushroom cap. Now draw two slanted curves parallelly for mushroom stem. Now draw lines inside the mushroom cap for gills. Now draw the shaped circle inside the mushroom cap. Now draw sleeping curved lines for the ground level. Draw a slanted curve and semi-oval. Draw alphabet small n from one end of the oval to the second mushroom. Draw circles inside the mushroom and lines around the curve inside the mushroom cap for gills. Now we are going to draw another small mushroom behind the second mushroom. Draw a slanted curve and join that with another curve. Draw an oval and alphabet small n behind the second mushroom. Draw a circle inside the cap and lines for the gills. Now draw a sharp edge curves for plant in different shape on both the sides of the mushroom. Draw different shape of curved oval for the stones. Let's start coloring. Red color. Orange color. Peach or sandal color. Yellow color. Brown color. Green color. light brown color. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw a teddy bear. See you.